It's May 2026, and I'm in downtown Willimantic CT waiting to catch NECR's Train 608 as it makes its way south over the Willimantic River. I've chased the train south into town and expected it to soon be heading over the bridge, but when I got on site it became clear that that was unlikely to happen. On the far side of the bridge were several emergency response vehicles, and on the side of the bridge closest to me were several rescue workers. It was unclear what they were doing, but while they were blocking the track, it was clear no train could pass this way. My only clue came from a very strange encounter with a local as I was observing the activity, which went something like this. I had my camera out filming over the bridge when a man came up next to me and asked me, "Is there a body?" I was not sure how to respond to this question, so said, "No, not that I can see anywhere, although I don't know what's going on." To which he responded, "Ah, okay, I just asked the rescue workers, and they informed me that there was not a body but they might be looking for one. But I'm a regular with them, so they might be joking with me." After which he left. I have absolutely no clue what that means, and have now acquired more questions than answers, but it appears there is a potential that someone was in danger that they were looking for. Unfortunately, I was never able to find out, but if anyone knows the true story of what happened here, please let me know. I can only hope that everybody's safe. Not too long after this encounter, a high rail truck came out of the Willimantic yard and stopped next to the workers on the bridge. With the truck blocking the main out of town, it was clear that the train could not come this way for a little while. The train was sitting on the far west end of the yard, and it was over half an hour before EMS crews cleared the scene and 608 could proceed south. I never did find out what exactly had happened, so I can only hope that everything ended okay and no one was hurt. 608 now headed into the yard and pulled a little way out onto the bridge to clear a switch. Sitting on the interchange track is one car, a heavy-duty depressed center flatcar bearing the reporting marks of the Department of Defense. I've never seen one of these in person before, as they're very rare on any rail line. I'm not sure what it was carrying, since it was obscured by a tarp, but it appears to have been left here by the Providence and Worcester Railroad and then taken south to New London on today's train. 608's engines coupled onto the car, then hauled it forward to clear the switch and add it onto the train. With its train now put together, 608 could finally head south, crossing over the Willimantic River on the large trestle. With 608 gone south, I headed elsewhere, since this train is very hard to chase south of here. Still, I'm quite happy with the results of today's rail fanning. It had been a day shrouded in mystery, from the strange EMS response at the bridge to the mysterious and rare car from the Department of Defense. I've never seen this car before, and who knows how long it may be until I can catch a glimpse of it again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please leave me a like or comment to let me know that you enjoyed the video, and maybe even subscribe to help the channel grow and make sure you don't miss out on the next one of these videos. As always, thanks for watching everyone, and have a great day.